Tarnation Bob here. I just got back to the motel from the local convenience store where I got a haul of these wrapped snacks. These have been available in some neighborhoods, but now I've got to bring them to the suburbs. I got to bring them to the white trash areas. I got to do this. Who better to test these chips than America's #1 white rapper, Tarnation Bob. I've got the Fetty Wap Honey Jalapeño. And it's got the picture on the back. It says, "Nobody put me on. I got up and worked extremely hard for what I have. Nobody can take that from me." And then I got here the look who decided to show, L.I.L. Romeo. Bar-B-Quin with my honey is the name of this one. It says, "My pops taught me to keep your head on straight and do what you love." And then finally we got the sophisticated package of Fabolous New York Deli Cheddar Wavy potato chips. This looks a lot fancier than in my hood of the South Bronx. Stop trying to skip the struggle. That's where character is built. The hunger for more is created. The lessons for success are taught. So embrace it, feed off it, learn from it, and then overcome it so you can become it. Smells like a cheaper brand Ruffles chip. Take it out. It's not particularly heavy coated, but the pimp of the nation is going to tell you what it tastes like. It's a decent quality chip, but the cheese flavor could be a lot stronger. Now for the honey jalapeno Fetty Wap. A regular chip. And if you follow me on Snapchat at Tarnation Bob, you already got a sneak preview of these exclusively on Snapchat. Oh, there's just a hint of jalapeno flavor. Well, I taste the honey, the jalapeno. Gotta try another one. Jalapeno's a little stronger on that one, but it's not enough to blow the doors off the double wide. Finally, we got the honey barbecue L.I.L. Romeo. Well, I gotta say, the Fabolous ain't so fabulous. It's the weakest of the three. I would give these 2 stars. I will give these Jalapeño chips 4 stars. If they had a little more heat, I'd give them a 5 stars, but those and this are pretty competitive with a Lay's potato chip. Surprisingly, the most boring flavor had the most flavor. I'm gonna give them a 5 stars for that chip. Now, unless you're a hot babe, go on, get out of my hotel room. I gotta eat these snacks.